A really tasty and refreshing drink which not only helps you in losing weight but also hydrates you and improves your digestion. It also offers many wonderful detoxing benefits. You should drink this in the morning on an empty stomach to kickstart your day. Moving on to the recipe of this refreshing drink, you need only 4 total ingredients. 3 liters of fresh water, half cucumber in sliced form, 2 lemons in sliced form, 10 to 12 mint leaves. You can also take the screenshot. How to make this refreshing detox, simply called lemon, mint and cucumber detox. There are 2 total steps. Number 1. Add all ingredients to a jug. Number 2. Leave it overnight in the fridge to release all the flavors. Did you know? Lemon water in the morning is a great way to get a good portion of your essential daily vitamin C. Personally, I drank lemon water for 30 days in the morning on an empty stomach and the results were amazing. So moving back to the lemon, mint and cucumber detox, I wanna give you a tip about using it. As I told you that you have to leave the drink overnight in the fridge, so of course it will cool down, right? A good tip for this drink is, once it has steeped overnight in the fridge, pour it into a glass or bottle and before drinking it wait until it reaches room temperature, or you can also add a little hot water. Because chilled water can be harsh on your digestive system, especially if you are drinking it first thing in the morning. This recipe is full of goodness. It is a natural detoxifier. It will boost your immune system. It improves digestive health. It is hydrating and refreshing. Adding mint leaves, lemon or cucumber slices are simple and natural ways to add a little flavor to your water and cleansing and replenishing your body at the same time. Lemons are a natural detoxifier. They help to cleanse the body by flushing out toxins, also boosting your immune system and aiding better digestion. Mint is also good for digestion and provides a touch of sweetness without the sugar. Cucumbers are 96% water, so they provide an extra hydration, hydrating and detoxifying. If you have given this drink a try, please let us know. Leave a comment below. I will love to see it. Share it and thank you so much for watching. Until the next time, take care and bye-bye.